Looks like everybody's happy. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Autonomous begins. Who's going to get that 10-point bonus? It's close. Advantage blue. 3, 2, 1, go. Well, the unfortunate thing there in that portion of the match, null and void on their back, and it doesn't look like they're going to be getting themselves back uprated, at least not yet. That makes it a 2-on-1 for now. Unfortunately, sometimes with center of gravity going high, that's what happens. 99-32F with a 3 stack on a mobile goal. That's the Hawks from Jericho, New York. Mobile goal now in the possession of both red robots. Doing all they can to get at least some points on the board here is the Blue Alliance. Team number 77-3-21. That's cross-wired. Just delivering empty goals plus 1 with a stack of 1. 38 seconds left. A little bit of defense being played here. 77-3-21 trying to push into the side of 7700. Rolling robots. 99-3-2F. The Beaver Bots. 5 seconds left, now parked. 3, 2, 1, and that concludes match 18. We'll send it over to Brian over on field 1.